Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do quite a lot of work as we literally had to remove the entire boiler of the machine. That means this boiler had to go out, which means we had to completely open all these panels, open all the back of the machine as well, get access to the part of the water pumps and stuff, and then be able to lift the entire boiler after, of course, we disconnected it from a bunch of hoses and things, work on it, put it back again, and then retest everything. So yeah, we did quite a lot of work because we also had to replace the three-way valve, a fuse in there, an FTC sensor, and as well a another valve over here that was controlling the steamer. And that valve was similar to a three-way. I don't know where I put it. Probably we throw it in the garbage when we were cleaning yesterday, as I had this machine completely apart and it was a big gap. So this other machine had a ER13. That was basically meaning that the NTC sensor right there was actually failing. In order to replace that, it's pretty hard, as you need to disassemble the entire steamer assembly in order to get to it and then replace it. But like I said, we did that. We replaced the NTC sensor. The ER13 and ER14 will not show up anymore. We also sealed the boilers by replacing the gaskets of both the steam boiler and the brew boiler. We replaced that three-way valve that I was talking about and I showed before. And like I said, the fuse, and we lift the boiler and service it. Now starting with the shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. We're using our 23 setting grind of the machine. We're using our test coffee as well, and it's a little bit fast, as you can see. Probably we need to grind at least on the 20 setting or 19 setting, because like I said, we were using a test coffee. We basically keep it like this, so it definitely loses a lot of freshness. But as you saw, nice shot of espresso still. That quantity is the quantity that that the customer programs, so I'm not going to touch that. Nice pot. Hot water, as you can see, steady stream coming out through the one on the back of the group head. Nice flow and excellent temperature as well. And now this auto steamer, we're going to test it out as well. I'm going to put this milk in there. It starts a little bit slow, but as the temperature sensor starts to detect the temperature of the milk, it will either slow down or easier. It's a smart cappuccino. As you can see, steady steam coming out through the one, looking great. This automatic cappuccino automatically stops when you do that, and it auto cleans itself like that as well. And as you can see, it's totally working. So there you have it. Breville Oracle Touch working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.